All right, ladies and gentlemen, Landon Huffman here with another video. Welcome to the vlog. We are out here at Tri-County Speedway. Massive crowd for the makeup to the makeup to the makeup of the 4th of July race. So we've got late model stocks tonight, twin limiteds, I think, street stocks. We're here to watch our boy Boo Carlisle in the B00 get after it, kicking asphalt vlog. I think he was pretty solid in practice, but I got RJ and Travis Moonhead Brown with me. We're about to raise a little hell, have some fun. We're gonna take you guys with us.
Brett was asking for a damn substitute driver the other night because of our Sarah bang.
All right.
I know.
I had to wear the old Max Presswood track championship tee.
Wearing the appropriate car.
Yeah, appropriate Tri-County Motor Speedway attire here. We're about to walk into the trackside area because they wouldn't let me take my beer cooler in up front, so hopefully they will here. RJ, how are you feeling about tonight? What are you looking forward to the most here, bub?
All the racing. I love coming to Tri-County. One of my favorite places. My dad raced here when I was young. I came here all the time. My neck of the woods growing up, so I'm excited.
Are you drinking a lot of beer? Oh, shit.
I'm gonna have another one.
So if you guys have never seen this before, this is Tri-County Motor Speedway, freshly paved 1 and 2, and last year they paved 3 and 4. I've ran some races here. Badass little racetrack. My dad won a track championship here. I'd love to come do so at some point, but it most recently just got back going. So cool to see a good crowd here, ready to watch some racing. Little slight build of Renegades going on. Travis, what do you think of the crowd?
Dude, it's awesome. I'm really excited to see some Renegade action. I want that badass number 15. I don't know who it is, but that's my guy.
We're pulling for it. 1 year ago, G-Matt sat right over there and live streamed.
Remember, he caught Jacob Hefner losing a right front wheel or whatever.
Yeah, it was huge. Yeah, so I drove the GMS late model here last year. We finished 5th in the Firecracker. There was 18 cars. It was a good field, good race. But I don't know how many late models they got. We'll just have to see here once we get going. Shout out to Casey Pierce right there for letting us use his trackside spot. Well, that is not a Bud Heavy, ladies and gentlemen. God almighty.
That's all I'm beating.
All right.
In the Black Bear transmission.
Boom 3-1! Boy in the 9's running her way with this one, bud. He's in a limited late model out there against the Renegades. All right, it's a no surprise the 9 kicked their ass, but this is one of the coolest parts of Tri-County is the trackside parking. And to be honest with you, like, the grandstands are not the greatest place to sit here. Like, if you sit anywhere on trackside, you can basically see the whole track. That's what the coolest part is. Like, sitting right here in 1 and 2, you can literally see everything that happens, minus maybe like getting into 3 there. All right, we got vintage cars coming out now. Pretty badass looking pieces of machinery. So unlike the Bowman Gray video, I can't give you really a review on beer prices because they don't sell beer here. They also have a curfew here, which kind of sucks, but the track itself, beautiful facility. They've done a lot of work to it here recently to make it more relevant again, and like I said, open it back up. So the only problem right now is they compete on Saturday nights against Hickory and other places that race on Saturdays, which has hurt them a little bit, I think. It's also hurt Hickory. I mean, it's hurt every track in the vicinity, but Tri-County used to race on Friday nights. And like I said, now they're on Saturdays, so a little bit different, but we're off Hickory this weekend, so we get to come out here and have some fun. But I should have packed some Bud Heavies. I'm sorry, guys, let you down. Casey, what are we drinking tonight?
Fucking water right now.
Water? What is that shit?
I got sober up.
It's really a shame they don't have more of these things because they are hauling ass. Like, hauling ass for a vintage car.
I did jump in it.
Look at who showed up.
Was a
Car owner has made it to Tri-County. He doesn't have a beer in his hand, so I'm kind of disappointed.
I'm needing a beer.
It's unfortunate. It really is.
Unfortunate. I'm actually going to grab one out of the car.
Yes, bring the whole cooler in. Here we go, baby. Here we go. The zeros who we're pulling for, right? That's Hayes. I don't like that the 54 moved his number forward. I just don't like that. Y'all know I'm not a fan of that. if there's quarter numbers, we are booing the shit out of them in any division.
It depends.
No, what?
It depends.
No, okay. Travis is canceled now for cars. All right, here we go. 4 bangers, baby. Show me something good, please. I think he's in it automatic. Oh, easy, easy. The 27's coming, by God. Just had a restart, like lap 4 or some shit. I'm only recording in case something good happens. We need something good to happen here. Travis, what's happening? Did he jump the start?
Somebody's getting talking to.
And
Oh,
six-
they're
oh, yes!
Hell yeah!
All right, they're putting the 27 to the rear for some reason. He's won every race here. We're working lap 15. I don't know what the hell's going on. The Zero's our leader.
God, Hayes is about to win this damn race.
Lap 15, and we have done a live invert in the middle of the race.
Look, he's telling him what he did wrong, too.
What did he do wrong?
I don't know, but he's sure as shit telling him.
Yes, we don't know why.
We don't know why, but we'll take it.
We're here for it. So he has taken a bounty. He already drove to the front
Middle
once.
race?
Yeah, middle race bounty. I've never seen it before in my life. Middle race bounty. They're sending him to the back with 10 to go. You know, honestly, it's probably for like $100 max.
Oh,
max $100.
I'd take
Go into the rear. 10 to go. The turns have tabled. Listen,
what they do?
5 laps is all he has to go to the front.
Oh, shit.
All right, here we go. Going green. Damn it. Here we go. 5 laps of 27 on the bottom. 3 wide. Drive that son of a bitch. Block his ass, Hayes. Come on. Oh, he's coming like a bat out of hell. Block him. Big ass bumper, Hayes. Hold him like stank on shit, a fly on shit, whatever you want to say. Hold him down, Hayes. Oh, it's about to get good. Hayes down the wall, down the money. He's not out of it yet. They can take each other out. 2 to go. 2 to go. Oh, hit the chip, baby. Driving that son of a bitch. I have never heard a mini stock hit the chip. Yeah, yeah. Oh, he's there. He's there. Oh, it's over. Oh, here we go. Drive him. White flag. $100 on the line and a box of chicken McNuggets from McDonald's. Alpha 4 for the final time. He's not gonna do it. Hell yeah. All right, that's the first time this guy's never won.
It made it a damn show, though.
But it was fun. I love it. Hell yeah. He just now finished.
They were about to start the interviews and he crossed the damn line.
I don't know what's next, but about to be a hell of a celebration here. I wish I was down there. I'd love to throw a Bud Heavy on him right now. We're pacing in the limited. Put it out. Put it out. That is terminal, ladies and gentlemen. And look at this shit. His motor is blowing up live. What the shit? All right, limited late model racing. I don't know if they got twins, but they inverted 6. We got a good field. Dexter Knipe's kid, Trey Knipe, outside pole. Taylor Nesbitt. We're pulling for Jacob York. He's in the 97. Like I said, I said this, but I didn't record it. The 70 car is Jason's old car. I won a bunch of limited races in it. So it's out here. This should be a good show right here. We'll see what happens. I don't know how many laps either. And it might be twins. Hell, I don't know. But we got an invert. Here we go. That is a front flip.
Hope you folks wore the Pepsi shirt.
There you go, buddy.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. I appreciate you.
Again, a tough break.
Here we go. What the hell?
Oh, somebody said.
Damn it! 15 will now win the race. 8 laps. Took the lead without a door or a fender. To go with the line. She's running him down. Five more. He has nothing on the left side for her to lay into. Absolute banger of a limited race, actually. I mean, they tore up a bunch of shit, but that's to be expected. Hell of a finish. Taylor Nesbitt and Rock Harris, his son, I think. Austin Harris, I think is his name. Hell of a job, though. Great race. Me and Travis are about to go test out the concessions, see what we got.
How many cars start the second limited twin?
I don't know if there's twins.
I read twins.
Oh, there is twins.
Remember,
so,
York said
yes.
twins.
So I don't know. Maybe like 8. There was only 8 that started that one.
Yeah,
well, 15 started, but
20
yeah, not many finished. So we'll see. We do have more limited racing. So if you enjoyed that finish, hang around. If this is cash only, we got $10 budget. Boo Carlisle's about the race. We're trying to get some concessions here, some chicken nuggets or something. I think Boo is starting 3rd, it looks like. So we're pulling for the B00. We're about to give you a review on the concessions here. Street stocks, 35 laps. B00, Boo Carlisle rolling off 3rd. That's what we got. Here we go. Good field of streeters. backstretch.
We've got us a junkyard on the
No
back
excuse
stretch.
for no yellow. I don't know why we didn't throw it. Boo's not in it though. A car was slow. I got a bologna sandwich. Travis got a hot dog, as y'all seen. And then we had a parking lot on the backstretch. We're gonna get back over here so we can see it. All right, bologna and cheese. Travis has a glizzy. We're gonna give you guys a decent rating. This was $3, so Bowman Gray concessions through the roof. $3 hairs for this. How many for the hottie?
3 as well.
3 for the glizzy. Can't beat it. Right here, bologna and cheese at Tri-County.
This is the end of it right here.
Also, Boo got a flat and I missed it because I was pissing.
And he meant Trace said.
No. This is good. Damn. All right, Boo's back. Yes, sir. Oh yeah, good restart. Driver intros going on. So basically all of the people that didn't qualify last time, because this is a makeup, are having to start in the back. But it looks like we got 16, 18 cars here. So it should be a good show. The legendary Phil Combs on the mic, fantastic announcer. All right, Travis, who you got?
15.
Who's that?
Ryan Millington.
He's number 17. But I got Ryan Millington too. Firecracker, what on? Here we go. Still under halfway break. RJ, are you going to Pockets and Brews?
Probably not.
You don't have a choice. I'm taking you there. It's karaoke night. I don't know, you didn't do nothing last night. All right, so it looks like after the halfway break, we've got an invert. So the 17 led every lap, and it does not appear he will be starting on the front row. Back green, 49 to go. Millington's actually third because they did a choose call. All right, restarting lap 69. Very nice. All right, fantastic night of racing here at Tri-County Motor Speedway in Hudson, North Carolina. Ryan Millington held on. Connor Zilich gave him all he had there for Justin Carroll. It was a badass race. I thought the 57 was a little better. Ryan looked tight. 57 was cut in the middle, better than he was, but just didn't have enough for him in the end. Ryan's a hell of a race car driver. He did a fine job holding him off, and it was good, clean racing. But thank you guys for watching. Travis, what'd you think on the night?
It was a great night of racing. Phenomenal night of racing. Ate a good hot dog. Yeah.
All right, good hot dog, good bologna sandwich, bologna, however you want to say it. We're going to walk to our car, make a 30-minute trip back to Pockets and Brews. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. on our way to 10K. Catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.